Okay, we are going to write a program for permutating characters in a string. So program is permutations of a string. Okay, permutations of a string. Okay, so here condition is that no duplicate characters in the string. No duplicate characters in the string. Okay, so that we can write a very simplified program, otherwise it will become very complex. Okay, let me explain first what is the permutations of a string. For example, you have a string ABC. Okay, the permutation of this string is ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, CBA, like that. We will get a 6 you got. Okay, so the first question is that how how the algorithm look like, what should be the algorithm. So the idea is this one. First, if you're getting a string, first you need to split this string two. One is a main character and the rest of the character. So first you pick each character, write down A, then write down rest of the character. Rest of the character is B, C. Okay, same way you will choose the B, and rest of the character is AC. By removing B you will get AC, right? Third character is C, rest of the character is AB. So whenever you are getting a string, split that one like this. How many characters there, that many pair of items you need to get. Okay, so here 3 characters there, so we got three pairs of data. Each data will contain first main character and rest of the character, like that. Okay, so now what you need to do is that you need to find out permutations of BC now. So that's we want to find out permutation of BC and permutation AC and permutation AB. Okay, so how to find out a permutation of BC? The similar way, you need to write B, comma, rest of the string is empty. Here is empty. Okay, then sorry, BC, we want to find out BC, right? Rest of the character is C here. Next, second character is a C. We write C, then rest of the character is B. So this is what here what we are doing is that we are trying to find out permutations of ABC. We are trying like this by splitting a main character and the rest of the character, like that. Now here BC, we need to find out the permutation of that string, so we are doing here that one. Similar way, AC you need to do, and AB also you need to do. So once in here BC, now you got a single character, right? So it is easy to find out the permutation. Here B and C. B is a main character, and this we don't need to find out the permutation, so attach with BC. Okay, it's a BC. Now here a CB. Okay, now once you got permutation of BC, permutation of BC we got. Now moved this data to here, A comma BC comma CB. We got it is from here. Okay, so what we have done is here B and C we combine, right? The similar way here we got a permutation, right? You need to combine with A. Okay, so ABC comma ACB. So we got a permutation of main character A and rest of the character BC. For this, this is the permutation. Okay, and similar way here you need to B is the main character, and this AC you need to do here the similar way we have done is BC, right? The similar way you need to do. Then what you will get is AC and CA. Okay, so then here you need to combine. Here main character B and permutation is here, so you need to combine like this. We have done here this similar way. So what we will get is BAC BCA. Okay, now you need to do this also. I'm not going to explain, I'm just writing down this here. Okay, so now you got all this thing, right? Now you need to combine this one. That is the combine means adding this these two and these two and these two, a total 6. Then you will get to this one. That is the permutation of ABC. So yeah, I will summarize once again. Once you get the string, if that is a single character, then just return that. That's itself a permutation. If not, pick each character and create like this pair. Here three characters are there, so you need 3 pair. Okay, so each pair one main character would be there, and rest of the string will be here. Okay, so A B C B A C C A B. Now BC, you need to find out the permutation of BC. Then here you go here and pick the each character B, C. These are the 2 main character. And rest of the character is here C, here is B. Now you can see this is a single character, it itself permutation, so you don't need do any permutation here. So you can directly combine BC. You got BC here, and here CB you got. If you're combining this BC and CB, this is the permutation of BC. So we got that here. A is a main character. This is a permutation of the rest of the character. Now you need to combine this one. This is a combined form. Okay. Now if you are combining all this this 1 2 3 set of permutations, you will get the permutation of ABC like that. So let me write that program here. Definition permutation. Here you need to pass the string. Okay, first let us write a tail condition. I am going to write a recursive function. So first you need to write a tail condition. Tail condition is length of string. Length of the string is 1. Then permutation is, we should pass as array. Okay, that string itself. Single character means that itself. Now what we need to do is that we need to prepare that pair. see we prepared a pair here, right? Let me prepare that pair here. For index in range, how many pair you needed, how many characters in that string, that number of pairs are needed. Length of string. Okay, main character equal to string of index. Okay, let me print that main character. Okay, main character and rest of the character also we needed, rest of the chars. Okay, rest of the character, how we can do is that 0 to that character, this excluding that character, this main character here. Okay, 0 to that main character, but without including the main character. Next is after that main character at the end. Now you got the rest of the character, right? Let me print this one. Print main character, rest of the character. Okay, we did the printing. Now return. Okay, here I will define that returning block. Okay, it's a permutation. We will store all the permutation in this array, and I am returning that one. So here right now I am not doing any calculation here. So let me print that one, that main character we wrote here, right? This main character and rest of the character, that I am printing here. So we need some test data ABC, print permutation test data. Okay, now let me run this one. Yeah, we got here, right? A, B, C, and here rest of the string. So what we have done here, that first we pick up each character and create a pair. The second item in the pair is rest of the string, that we have done is. Okay, now here we got the rest of the character, right? That we need to get the rest of the character permutation. We need to find a permutation of that rest of the character. Rest of the character. Okay, so we will take that one, and we will take this BC, and we will find out the permutation of that one. Once we get that permutation, what we need to do is that pick each item. Here we got, right? Here we got the permutation. Then we will pick each item one, then we will attach to A, and we will get here. This similar way here, rest of the permutation, that is called RP in rest of the permutation. Actually it will return an array, so I am iterating through that array. I will picking each one and adding to we created the array, right, for adding all the permutations. I am combining that one. Here main character is there, and that permutation list we got, right, items in the permutation list, that is RP. So what we have done, first we got the main character and rest of the character. This rest of the characters we need to do find out the permutation of the character. That's what done here. Once you got that rest of the permutation of the rest of the character, like this one, we need to combine main character, we need to add with the rest of the characters permutation. So that's what we have done here. Main character adding rest of the characters permutation items, each item in the rest of the characters permutation. Okay, so yeah, I think we have done. ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, CABA. Okay. We got all. Let me try with A, B, sorry, AB, AB, BA. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 3 2. I think we got everything. Yeah, so first what we need to do is that take that string and create a pair. The first item in the pair is each character should have its own pair. Here 3 characters is there, ABC, and we got a 3 pair here. Okay, in that each pair, first is the main character, then is the rest of the character. Like that we have done. Then what we have done is that rest of the character, we will get the permutation of that rest of the character. That's what we got here. Then we will combine with the main character. That's what we got here. So here first we wrote a tail condition. It means if the string is character length 1, return that itself. It's a array. Okay, now here what we are doing is that we need to get main character and rest of the character. Using this index we will get the main character, and rest of the character we will make, we are combining this, we are writing here up to that main character. Then after the main character we are taking those 2 parts and combining. That's how rest of the characters we are getting. Then we are finding permutation of that rest of the character. That's what we got here. Now it's actually array. We need to take that each permutation and add with main character. That's what we have done here. Add with the main character. That's it. Hope it was helpful for you.